If you're anything like me, you know the constant struggle of trying to balance being a devoted mom, a loving wife, and still carving out your own path in the world, right? Let me tell you a little bit about my journey and why I'm so passionate about what I do. So, picture this: a few years back, I was knee deep in the hustle and bustle of a demanding 9 to 5 corporate America job, trying to make ends meet while also trying to cherish every precious moment with my son. But as the years flew by, I just started to realize something that hit me real hard. Time was slipping through my fingers faster than I even realized. My little boy, my heart and soul, was growing up before my eyes, and I couldn't bear the thought of missing out on any precious moments with him. That's when I made a decision that changed the course of my life, guys. I dove headfirst into the world of digital marketing with the Legacy Builder program. I knew I needed a change, a way to work from home, be present for my son's milestones, and still be able to contribute financially to our family without putting all the pressure on my husband's shoulders. And guys, I did that with zero experience in digital marketing, and I just followed a proven process that was step by step, beginner friendly, that earns me 100% profit, and a business system that is automated so it's constantly working for me 24/7 so that I can enjoy doing the things I love the most with my family. Fast forward to today, guys, and my son is 9 years old. 9. It hit me like a ton of bricks, guys, that I only have 9 more summers with him before he's off to college, before he starts his adult years, right? And let me tell you, I refuse to let a single moment slip away unnoticed. Investing in myself and my dreams was the best decision I ever made. I took a leap of faith. But you know what? I faced my fear and I stopped overthinking because it was worth more than me ever losing more time with my son. Now, I'm not just a digital marketer, guys. I am a proud stay-at-home mom, fully present for every giggle, every adventure, and every tantrum, snuggle. But it's a reality I never thought possible. But here I am living it every single day, guys. So to all you amazing moms out there who are craving more time with your little ones, more freedom in your schedule, and more fulfillment in your life, I see you, I hear you, and I'm here to tell you that it is possible. You deserve to chase your dreams while being there for your kids every step of the way.